How to get the Doom view model in CS2, also known as the Quake view model. Please leave a like if this helps. So all you need to do is first of all open up Steam and then go to Community and then Workshop. Once you're here, you then want to go to Counter-Strike 2 in this search bar here. So search for Counter-Strike. Come on. There it is. There's a dash. So type in Counter. Click on Counter-Strike 2. Then type in View Model in the search bar again. Then click on Crash's View Model. Click on Get, or whatever it says, subscribe. And now, once it's downloaded, open up your game. So now, my guys, we go to Workshop Maps here. And then you click on Crash's View Model. Click on Go. And now you will be presented with the view model generator. You can either choose presets, so you just shoot the Quake and you become Quake, or you can be gangster just to troll people in Premiere. There's some pretty cool ones. 3 Clicks Philip has got like a modified version of Quake. It's very similar. And then you can like mess with the XYZ. It's kind of fun. So play around. Once you have landed on what you want, go to Save View Model, yes, download. This will just, save the settings for you. And now when you join a game, like this one, look at this. My view model remains good. Alright, let's kill a bot.